In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Triangular Momentum Oscillator and real-time divergences in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open for the market you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, Forex, anything you normally trade. It helps to switch your chart to full screen mode so you can clearly see all of the options we'll be using. Now, look along the top of your chart for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies, and it sits near the time frames and the alert icons. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main indicator menu, which is where you'll add everything you need for your technical analysis. Once the indicator window pops up, you'll see a search box at the very top. This is the fastest way to find any custom tools, so click directly in that search field. With the cursor active, type in Triangular Momentum Oscillator and real-time divergences. Take your time to spell it correctly, because TradingView search is very literal. As you type, TradingView will start showing you matching results below. You should now see the script or indicator with that name appear in the list. Before you add it, it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if there are similar indicators with slightly different names. Once you've identified the correct Triangular Momentum Oscillator and real-time divergences tool, click on it once. TradingView will automatically apply it to your current chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually at the bottom of the screen, showing the oscillator. This panel will display momentum waves and highlight any real-time divergences between price and momentum. If you hover over the indicator's name on the left side of that panel, you can click the settings icon to customize things like colors, line thickness, and visibility. Adjust these settings so the signals are easy for you to read against your chart background. If you don't see the indicator after clicking, double check that you're using TradingView Pro or a compatible plan, since some advanced scripts require a paid subscription. In the description of this video, I've included my affiliate link for TradingView Pro. You can use that link if you want to upgrade or start a trial, and it may give you some extra benefits or discounts while supporting the channel at the same time. Once everything is added and visible, you're ready to start using the Triangular Momentum Oscillator and real-time divergences as part of your trading strategy.